My name is Sarah. I am 26 years old. I want to tell you my story. It is a story about love, sadness, and finding my strength. It comes from my heart. Please listen to me. When I was 22, I met a man named Daniel. He was kind and funny. His hair was dark and his smile was bright. He told jokes that made me laugh until my stomach hurt. When he looked at me, I felt warm inside. I thought, he is the one. He will make me happy forever. In the beginning, everything was perfect. Daniel and I went on long walks. We held hands and talked about everything. We sat by a lake and watched the water shine under the sun. The trees were green and the air was fresh. We shared ice cream and laughed when it melted on our hands. I felt like I was in a dream. Daniel was my everything. I thought of him every morning. I wrote his name in my diary. I sang happy songs about love. I dreamed of a future with him. I saw us in a small house with flowers in the garden. I saw us traveling to new places. My heart was full of hope. But life is not always kind. After 1 year, Daniel changed. He stopped calling me every day. He did not laugh as much. His eyes looked tired, not bright. I asked, "Daniel, are you okay? Do you still love me?" He said, "Yes, Sarah, I'm fine." But his voice was quiet. I felt something was wrong. I tried to make him happy. I cooked his favorite pasta. I bought him a scarf because he liked soft things. I waited for his smile to come back. But he was different. He was far away, even when he was next to me. My heart started to hurt. I cried when I was alone. I told myself, he loves me. He will be the same again. One evening, Daniel told me the truth. He said, "Sarah, I don't love you anymore. I found someone else." My world broke. I felt like I could not breathe. I asked, "Why, Daniel? What did I do wrong?" He said, "It's not you. I just changed." Then he left. He walked out of my life. I stood there alone with tears on my face. I cried every night. I looked at our old photos. I saw us smiling by the lake. I saw us eating ice cream. Every memory hurt like a knife. I read his old messages on my phone. I listened to the songs we loved. I felt empty. I asked myself, why did he leave? Was I not enough? But no answers came. My friends saw my sadness. They said, "Sarah, you are strong. You will be okay." I smiled for them, but inside I was broken. I walked by the lake alone. I saw couples holding hands. It made me feel worse. I missed Daniel. I missed his jokes. I missed his warm hands. I missed the dreams we shared. Months passed. I still hoped Daniel would call. I checked my phone every hour, but it was always silent. I felt like I was not me anymore. I was a girl who only cried. I was a girl who only waited. I was lost in my pain. One day, I woke up and looked in the mirror. I saw a girl with sad eyes. Her face was pale. She looked tired, like she forgot how to smile. I said, "Sarah, this is not you. You are more than this pain. You are more than Daniel." That moment, I decided to change. I threw away our photos. I deleted his messages. I stopped listening to our songs. It was hard, but I wanted to be free. I cut my hair and dyed it brown. I bought new clothes, a yellow dress that made me feel bright. I looked in the mirror and tried to smile. It was small, but it was real. I started to do new things. I joined a dance class. I moved my body to music, and it felt good. I learnt to make cakes. My first cake was not perfect, but I laughed when I ate it. I read books about strong women. Their stories gave me hope. I went to new places. One day I visited a small town. The streets were quiet and the houses were colourful. I sat in a cafe and drank tea. I watched people smile and talk. I thought, I want to live like that. I went to the beach one weekend. The sea was blue and the waves were loud. I walked on the sand and felt the wind on my face. I wrote my name in the sand and watched the waves take it away. I smiled. I felt strong. I started to remember who I was. I was a girl who loved to dance. I was a girl who loved to laugh. I was a girl with big dreams. I wrote a letter to Daniel. I did not send it. It was for me. I wrote, "Dear Daniel, I loved you with all my heart. I gave you my dreams. I cried for you. I waited for you. But now I choose me. I choose my life. I choose my happiness. I hope you are happy, but I will not wait any more. Goodbye." I burned the letter. I watched the paper turn to ashes. I felt light, like I could fly. I was not the girl who cried anymore. I was Sarah, and I was enough. Now my life is new. I wake up with a smile. I dance every week. I bake cakes for my friends. I read books and dream of new places. I want to see mountains. I want to see cities with tall buildings. I want to write my own story. I have new friends. They make me laugh. They make me feel strong. When I think of Daniel, I do not cry. I do not hate him. I am thankful. Because of him, I found my heart. Because of him, I learned to be brave. Because of him, I learned to love myself. I wish him a good life, but I do not need him. I am happy for me. This is my story. It is about love. It is about pain. It is about change. It is about hope. If you are sad, if you are lost, I want to tell you, you are not alone. Pain comes, but it goes. You are strong. You can find yourself again. Thank you for reading my story. It means so much to me. If you like it, please share it with others. Let's help each other. Let's smile together. I love you all. See you in my next story.